This one's number 2, a contraflow bus lane. A contraflow lane is usually found on a one-way road where certain traffic can also flow in the opposite direction. You should not use this lane for parking or overtaking. This one's number 2. You need to give priority to oncoming traffic. You'll find this sign where the road is too narrow for 2 cars to pass. It's really important to quickly recognise and understand priority signs when you're on your driving test, because not giving priority when it's due or hesitating when you have priority could mean you fail your driving test. It's number 3. Vehicles may park fully on the verge or footway. On narrow roads with wide pavements, you'll sometimes see this sign, but make sure you're within the area marked by the sign, because parking on a pavement normally could get you a fine. It's number 3, no stopping. This is the sign for a clearway, which is a stretch of road where you can't stop unless you're in traffic or in an emergency. A clearway sign is used instead of red lines on the road, but they mean the same thing. No parking, waiting, loading or unloading, and no picking up or setting down passengers. It's number 3, trams crossing the road ahead. Red triangles give warnings, and that's a picture of a tram. Sounds simple, but if you normally drive in an area where there's no trams, you might not be familiar with it. It's number 2, end of motorway. Once you see this sign, you're not subject to motorway regulations anymore. When you leave a motorway, it's important to slow down, check for the new speed limit and check your speedometer. Once you've been travelling at 70 miles an hour for a while, your perception of speed might be a little bit off. It's number 3, minimum speed limit of 30 miles an hour. You'll find this sign usually in tunnels where slow moving vehicles would cause a danger and impede the flow of traffic. If you need to slow down below the minimum speed limit or even stop for traffic or for safety though, you should. It's number 3, a mini roundabout sign. You will get to know this sign well on your driving lessons, and note it's not used for a roundabout, only a mini roundabout, and it's placed at the roundabout junction and not before it. This helps you see the mini roundabout from further back, because a mini roundabout is usually only painted on the floor, so it can be hard to see it until it's too late to properly plan for it. It's number 3 again, a danger sign. This sign is to warn you that there's a danger ahead. It will also usually have a text plate underneath it to let you know what kind of danger you're approaching. And that's it.